Hi, I'm Josh Anderson, Director of Assistive Technology and the Data Project at Easter Seals Crossroads. And we're here at the ATIA convention. Please enjoy this tech tip from the vendor hall.
Hi, my name's Narayanan and I'm the CEO of Avaz. We make an AAC product called Avaz, which is used by over 200,000 people around the world in multiple languages. We have school districts in the US use it. We have parents and clinics in India use it. We have schools and government organizations in Europe use it. So, yeah. So this is the Avaz home screen, and you can see that this is a 60 pictures per screen grid size. And while designing the new kind of the step-up vocabulary of Avaz, one of the things that we really wanted to ensure was AAC has to be meaningful for the communicator. So they'll be able to present themselves authentically. So let me show you what every angry AAC user sounds like today, right? So I can say, I feel so angry. And if I speak it out,
I feel so angry.
but this doesn't sound angry at all. An AAC user of Avaz now can actually change the tone to angry and sound more authentic.
I feel so angry.
I feel so angry. That's how it should be, right? Because you're able to, all of us when we are speaking are able to intonate and kind of at least communicate that way. Or if you are feeling a bit sad, you can say embarrassed. And you see that we have added a GIF feature as well. So we are looking at how can AAC users communicate more authentically, something that is more meaningful to them. And so you have GIF support, everything within the app that you can program and add your own words. So we already have a bunch of GIFs. You can add your own GIFs. You can also add your own YouTube video snippets as well. But the idea here, what we've kind of rolled out with this update is that as the vocabulary size grows, can you provide vocabulary which is authentic to the user as well as help them navigate quickly? Like it should be efficient in communication. So a lot of AAC users are really interested into specific interests. Like so, it could be like vehicles and transport, and so you have like a huge variety of words here. It's not only not only fixed to like go, stop. What you can do is, you'll see on the bottom, it's called the frozen row, and it follows you everywhere. So if you want to talk about vehicles, you can talk about actions related to vehicles. It's just one tap away. You can look at how to describe some of those. So you can build language in that context of what is really interesting to the AAC user. And so you look at home, transport, describe, it's a different folder altogether. It's a kind of different view altogether. Similarly, if you go to describe from the home screen, that's the entire set of vocabulary. But what we do is we contextually predict related to the vehicles folder. It could be something specific to that user. So you have the capability to completely set it up that way. One of my favorites is kind of like, I can set up a topics folder of monster truck rallies and it can have GIFs. I can set it up to describe it very specifically. So I can do like this, and I can do edit, and I can say, within appearance, it could be select all and just keep messy and broken and say, let's say we're talking about bent and curly, and hide the rest. And so what this does is it will just hide the words, just show these words, right? So for example, if I am in monster truck rallies and I want to talk about appearances, I just have these set of words. So it's contextually, you can set it up for the AAC user to focus on a specific set of words. The idea is that with communication, you have to be authentic and you should also be able to model easily, right? So as a communication partner, they easily find where the words are. It's in a grid-based layout. For the communicator, everything is motor planning. So everything is in the same place at the same location. So that's the new update of Avaz. We are very excited about it. Oh, and I should quickly show you the feelings page as well. Let's say, so the YouTube feature as well. So one of my colleagues who has a kid with autism, and she's the one who's actually the brains behind this vocabulary structure. So her kid actually uses gestalts, and so she has this food gestalt, and so this is the gestalt that plays, and it's a YouTube video that plays out, and you can again program the YouTube video to be just that snippet. So it doesn't play the entire video, it can be just that snippet. So supporting all kinds of AAC users and their needs, that's the kind of the new update in Avaz, and I'll leave you with this. So it also can do different kinds of grid sizes to enable kind of any kind of storytelling sessions and things like that. Yeah.
That's your tech tip for today. I want to say thank you to the Indiana Telephone Relay Access Corporation for sponsoring our captions today. My name is Brian Norton with the InData Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana.